The all-new Swift still has style by the bucket load, but with a handful of exciting extras to make driving even better. Its solid, muscular body commands real road presence to make you the center of attention, and its LED headlights, SZ5 models, light up the night. If you've experienced a Swift before, you're about to fall in love all over again. Take fun to the next level with the powerful all-new Swift. The SZ3 is available with a 1.2 Dualjet petrol engine, giving you a smooth and efficient drive. Or try the 1.0 Turbocharged Boosterjet petrol engine for outstanding performance and fuel efficiency. The added addition of SHVS Mild Hybrid provides even greater efficiency. And if that's not enough, there's even a 1.2 Dualjet SHVS four-wheel drive. The all-new Swift comes with DAB digital radio to soundtrack your next adventure, seamless connectivity with your smartphone through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, SZT and SZ5 models, and more space for everything you'll need on the way. The all-new Swift is compact and light but has a bigger, more comfortable interior than ever, including 265 liters of boot space. It's a driving experience like no other. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive videos.